Good morning, ninth class. I am your physics teacher Zishan Hassan, and this is our second lecture of our first week. Objective of this lecture: physical quantities, base quantities, derived quantities, SI units, and prefixes. First of all, we will study the physical quantities. Students, all the measurable quantities are called physical quantities such as length, mass, time, and temperature. And a physical quantity possesses at least two characteristics in common, such as numeric value and unit. For example, if the length of a student is 104 centimeter, then 104 is the numeric magnitude, and centimeter is the unit of the measurement. So we can also elaborate in some another examples that when we're measuring the height, where 4.5 is the numeric value, and when that measure in meter, and m is the unit, where in this example 70 is the numeric value and kilometer per hour is a unit, and here 333 is a numeric value and degree is a unit, and 33 degree is a temperature. And now we will discuss the physical quantities that can be divided into the two groups: base quantities and derived quantities. In the base quantities, there comes length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, intensity of light, and the amount of substance. And in the derived quantities, area, volume, speed, force, work, energy, power, electric charge, and electric potential, etc. For example, a brick is the basic or a base quantity, and from that brick we can make a house, and where the house will be known as the derived quantity. Means we build a house from a base quantity, where brick is a base quantity and house is the derived quantity. So students, in the next slide we will study the measurement in everyday life: measurement of mass, measurement of volume, and measurement of length, measurement of the temperature are common measurements we measure in our everyday life, and we need to measure these physical quantities. Need for measurement in physics. To understand any phenomena in physics, we have to perform experiments. Experiments require measurements, and we measure several physical properties like length, mass, time, temperature, pressure, etc. Physical verification of laws and theories also needs measurement of physical properties. To overcome the problem of measurement the physical quantities, in 1971 General Conference on Weight and Measures held its meeting and decides the system of units for international usage. This system is called International System of Units and abbreviated as SI from its French name. The SI unit consists of 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. And here is the 7 fundamental units, where length, its SI units meter and symbol small m. Mass, its SI units kilogram. Time, its SI unit is second. Temperature, its SI unit is Kelvin. Electric current, SI unit ampere. Luminous intensity, SI units candela. Amount of substance, SI units mole. And there are derived units. speed, acceleration, volume, force, pressure, density, charge are all the derived units and derived from the base quantities. For example, area is a derived unit and derived from the base quantities, and area is the product of length and width, where length and width both measure in meters, and the product of length into width gives the area, where area is a derived quantity. And the same for volume and volume, where length, width, height product gives us the volume, where length, width and height also measured in meter. But in a density, we divide the mass with volume to give the to obtain density, where density is a derived unit that derived from the two quantities, mass and volume. Prefixes. Prefixes are the words or letters added before SI units such as kilo, mega, giga and milli. These prefixes are given in table. These prefixes are useful to express very large or small quantities. For example, 20,000 grams can be expressed as 20 kilogram, where K represents the thousand. It means using the prefixes we represents the very large numbers into a small digits by using the prefixes. And here are some prefixes. Exa, it means 10 raised to power 18, peta 10 raised to power 15, tera 10 raised to power 12, giga 10 raised to power 9, mega 10 raised to power 6, kilo 10 raised to power 3 that we use here, hecto 10 raised to power 2 and etc.